Some of these classic cars still run. Others have been sitting for decades. But every one of them comes with a story. And maybe your next restoration project starts right here. Number 1. 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic, US $3,000, Conover, North Carolina. For $3,000 in Conover, North Carolina, this 1979 Chevrolet Caprice Classic Coupe is a running and driving project powered by a 350 V8 backed by a good automatic transmission. According to the seller, it has 138,000 miles, a Holley Street Warrior 600 CFM 4-barrel carburetor, a new mechanical fuel pump, a new battery, and working power windows and door locks. The air conditioning operates but may simply need refrigerant. The car carries a salvage title, and while it is described as a good project, the seller notes there is no time to finish it. Overall, it appears to be a usable V8 Classic that still has room for additional restoration and improvement. Number 2. 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Diesel, US $2,900, Bear, Delaware. Located in Bear, Delaware, this 1981 Oldsmobile 98 Regency Diesel is offered for $2,900. The odometer shows 96,411 miles, although the seller believes it may have rolled over. The car was restored several years ago with fresh paint, a new vinyl top, and a new headliner, while the frame and underside are described as exceptionally solid. The diesel sedan reportedly ran well until recently, when a suspected starter wiring issue left it unable to start. Because of that, it will need to be towed. The seller also includes service records dating back to a long-term owner who kept the car since 1985, making this a restoration candidate with documented history.
Number 3. 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V, US $3,000, Charlestown, Maryland. Priced at $3,000 in Charlestown, Maryland, this 1978 Lincoln Continental Mark V is powered by a 460 V8 and is described as a car that still runs and drives well. The seller drives it occasionally, and the heating and air conditioning systems are both said to be functional. The car does have rust around the vinyl roof, while the radio and windshield wipers currently do not work. Buyers can purchase it with wire wheels for the asking price or with the original wheels at a lower price. Overall, it presents itself as a complete luxury cruiser with several cosmetic and electrical issues still to address. Number 4. 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special, US $3,000, Southgate, Michigan. This 1976 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special is available for $3,000 in Southgate, Michigan. The seller says it is driven regularly, including daily trips to work, and believes the indicated 85,790 miles are accurate based on the condition of the interior. Several smaller issues remain, including an exhaust leak, leaking rear air shocks, an inoperative antenna, non-working air conditioning, a faulty fuel gauge, and climate controls that only operate on the low setting. Even so, the engine reportedly starts reliably, stays cool, and the seller considers it capable of driving anywhere, despite the maintenance still needed.
Number 5. 1963 Ford Fairlane Rat Rod, US $3,000, Leavenworth, Kansas. Offered for $3,000 in Leavenworth, Kansas, this running and driving 1963 Ford Fairlane Rat Rod retains its stock 200 cubic inch inline 6 and 2-speed automatic transmission. The seller describes it as a fun local cruiser with a naturally aged appearance. Rust is present, and the front suspension needs an alignment. Included with the sale are a straight axle setup with disc brakes and rack and pinion steering from a 2001 Jeep Cherokee, along with racing harnesses. Inside, the front seats come from a 1985 Corvette, while the rear seat came from a Subaru Impreza, reflecting the car's customized project nature. Number 6. 1965 Ford Falcon, US $3,000, Dandridge, Tennessee. Located in Dandridge, Tennessee, this 1965 Ford Falcon is listed for $3,000. It features a 6-cylinder engine paired with a traditional 3-on-the-tree manual transmission and is described as a running and driving classic with a well-aged patina finish. The seller mentions that numerous new parts have already been installed over time. While the Falcon still needs a few small repairs here and there, it is presented as an enjoyable car for casual local cruising rather than a fully restored show vehicle.
Number 7. 1976 Chevrolet Impala, US $3,000, Paris, Kentucky. This 1976 Chevrolet Impala is priced at $3,000 and located in Paris, Kentucky. Equipped with an automatic transmission, the car reportedly runs very well and shows approximately 85,000 miles on the odometer. The paint has begun to flake in several areas, but the interior is described as generally clean, aside from a few dirt stains. Additional interior components are also included with the sale, making this a complete driver that could benefit from cosmetic attention over time. Number 8. 1964 Chevrolet Impala, US $3,000, Herrin, Illinois. Available in Herrin, Illinois for $3,000, this 1964 Chevrolet Impala 4-door was reportedly driven to its current location several years ago before being parked. The seller states that it comes with a clear title. Very little additional mechanical information is provided in the listing, so buyers should expect to inspect the vehicle carefully before purchase. Based on the available description, it appears to be a straightforward restoration project with an intact title and negotiable asking price.
Number 9. 1963 Chevrolet Impala, US $3,000, Douglasville, Georgia. Located in Douglasville, Georgia, this 1963 Chevrolet Impala is listed for US $3,000. The seller describes it as a project car, equipped with an automatic transmission and a hydraulic suspension setup using 2 pumps, commonly referred to as being on juice. The engine reportedly turns over, but the seller makes it clear that the car will require a complete restoration before returning to regular use. No claim is made that the vehicle currently runs or drives. Aside from the hydraulic suspension, very little information is provided about the mechanical condition or the body. Buyers should expect to inspect every major system before planning any restoration work. Overall, this is best viewed as a restoration candidate for someone interested in saving a classic early 60s Impala while budgeting for substantial work. At US $3,000 in Douglasville, Georgia, the asking price reflects a project rather than a finished driver.
Number 10. 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, US $2,800, Irwin, Pennsylvania. Offered for US $2,800 in Irwin, Pennsylvania, this 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe has already undergone significant restoration work. According to the seller, the body was removed from the chassis and installed onto a replacement frame during the restoration process. The seller states that all original parts are present, along with additional new replacement components. The suspension has already been rebuilt with new parts installed, and the numbered drivetrain is said to remain with the car. Although much of the difficult work has already been completed, the Corvette still needs to be reassembled and finished before returning to the road. It is described as a project that was simply interrupted because the owner is preparing to move. With a clear title, a reportedly complete parts inventory, and substantial restoration progress already made, this Corvette offers an opportunity for someone looking to finish an already started project rather than beginning from scratch.
Number 11. 1960 Cadillac Deville Sedan, US $3,000, Lexington, Kentucky. This 1960 Cadillac Deville Sedan is available for US $3,000 in Lexington, Kentucky. The seller reports that the engine runs and the automatic transmission engages both drive and reverse normally. Several mechanical items still require attention. The brakes have newer components installed but need bleeding before the car can be safely driven. The seller also notes extensive rust affecting the floors, trunk, and the lower sections of 3 doors. Despite the rust, the Cadillac is described as approximately 95% complete, with most of the engine parts and trim pieces included. All of the glass is reportedly in good condition. Whether restored or used as a parts donor is left to the buyer's decision, but the vehicle includes a clear Kentucky title, making it a straightforward restoration candidate for someone prepared to handle significant body repairs. Number 12. 1968 Pontiac Catalina Fastback, US $3,000, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Located in Lawrenceville, Georgia, this 1968 Pontiac Catalina Fastback is listed for US $3,000. The seller states that it is equipped with a 400 V8 engine, a turbo 400 automatic transmission, and factory air conditioning. Very little additional information is provided regarding the vehicle's operating condition, mileage, or recent maintenance history. The listing focuses primarily on the drivetrain configuration. Because of the limited description, prospective buyers should inspect the mechanical systems, body condition, and interior carefully before making any decisions. As presented, this Catalina appears to be a largely complete full-size Pontiac project with desirable V8 equipment, offered at US $3,000 in Lawrenceville, Georgia.
Number 13. 1971 Pontiac GT-71 Hardtop, US $3,000, Roanoke, Virginia. Priced at US $3,000 in Roanoke, Virginia, this 1971 Pontiac GT-71 Hardtop comes with a 350YN engine, Holley carburetor, headers, Flowmaster exhaust, factory air conditioning, power steering, power disc brakes, and original Pontiac rally wheels. According to the seller, the frame and drivetrain are both good, providing a solid mechanical foundation for restoration. The car also retains all of its glass. The body, however, is described as being in rough condition, making bodywork the primary challenge of the project. The trunk contains additional door panels, trim pieces, handles, and other original components. With a clear title and many original parts included, this GT-37 appears to be a realistic restoration project centered around preserving its drivetrain while addressing substantial body repairs. Number 14. 1979 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback, US $800, Sylvester, Georgia. This 1979 Ford Mustang GT Hatchback is offered for just US $800 in Sylvester, Georgia. It is powered by a 5.0-liter V8, although the seller states the car has not been running for several years. The engine is reportedly not locked up, and the previous owner claimed it had relatively low mileage following a rebuild. However, the current owner has not attempted to start the vehicle. Because of its long period of storage, buyers should expect a complete inspection of the fuel system, ignition, brakes, and other mechanical components before attempting to return it to service. At US $800, the Mustang is presented honestly as either a restoration project or a parts car, making it one of the least expensive V8 project cars in this group.
Number 15. 1978 MG MGB, US $650, Reform, Alabama. Located in Reform, Alabama, this 1978 MG MGB is listed for US $650. The Roadster features a manual transmission and shows approximately 96,000 miles. The seller simply describes it as a convertible that needs to be restored and considers it a good project car.
No additional information is provided regarding its current mechanical condition. Because the listing is brief, important details such as whether the engine runs, the condition of the body, or the state of the interior are not specified. A thorough inspection would be essential before purchase. With its low asking price of US $650, this MG is best viewed as an entry-level restoration project for someone interested in bringing a classic British sports car back to life. Which project would you take home? The affordable Mustang, the Corvette restoration, or one of the big American cruisers? Let us know in the comments, and if you enjoy honest classic car listings like these, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you in the next collection of vintage project cars.